could a low-cost Iranian drone threaten one of the most advanced air forces in the world? In recent years, the Shahed 136, an Iranian loitering munition, has grabbed global attention. It's cheap, it's deadly, and it's been used across multiple conflict zones. The Shahed 136 is what's known as a kamikaze drone or loitering munition. Developed by Iran's military industry, it's designed to fly for long distances, locate a target, and slam into it with an explosive warhead. It's cheap. Some estimates say under $50,000 per unit, and it's being mass-produced. There are two main ways a Shahed 136 might bring down an American aircraft. First, ambush on the ground or during takeoff. If a drone hits an aircraft while it's parked or taxiing, the results could be catastrophic. Second, swarm tactics. Iran may launch dozens or even hundreds of drones at once. In a dense swarm, air defense systems can be overwhelmed, and even sophisticated jets could be caught in the chaos, especially mid-air refuelers or surveillance planes flying slowly. Still, there's a catch. American aircraft are equipped with some of the most advanced radars, electronic warfare systems, and air-to-air weapons in the world. An F-22 Raptor or F-35 Lightning II can detect, track, and destroy drones well before they pose a serious threat. Support aircraft like AWACS or tankers often fly with fighter escorts, and the U.S. Navy and Air Force use a layered defense system including Patriot missiles, Phalanx guns, and directed energy weapons in some cases. In a one-on-one scenario, the Shahed 136 stands no chance. So far, we've seen the Shahed 136 used mostly in Ukraine, where it's been employed by Russia to strike cities and infrastructure. In the Middle East, these drones have been used by Iranian proxies, like the Houthis in Yemen and militia groups in Iraq and Syria. They've attacked air bases before, but mostly targeting runways and stationary aircraft, not dogfighting in the skies. There is no public record of a Shahed 136 shooting down a modern, flying, manned U.S. aircraft. Iran's military doctrine emphasizes asymmetric warfare. Instead of matching the U.S. plane for plane, Iran relies on surprise, saturation, and proxy warfare. Launching waves of Shahed drones is a psychological and strategic move. It may not down an F-35, but it forces the U.S. to respond, to spend millions on interceptors, and to remain constantly on alert. That alone gives Iran a strategic edge, not through brute force, but through attrition. So can the Shahed 136 shoot down a U.S. aircraft? Directly? Very unlikely. Indirectly? Possibly under the right circumstances, with swarm attacks or by damaging critical infrastructure. In modern warfare, it's not always about a dogfight in the sky. Sometimes, the deadliest weapon is the one that forces your enemy to spend 100 times more to stop it. The drone war is evolving, and Iran's Shahed 136 is just the beginning.